Good day, guys. You are welcome to another video from FOREX. This should be another very interesting video because in this particular video I will quickly be showing you guys how a reversal happened in the market, how the market shifts from a downtrend to an uptrend. So I hope you guys find this very educative, and then pick one or two things to learn from it that you can add to your trade. Like I've always said, trading doesn't have to be difficult. It's just a case of you being able to read the chart like a book, look at it, pure price action, look at it from left to right, try to understand exactly what it's doing. It can be read if you can understand exactly what the logic behind it. The buyers and sellers, how the buyers and sellers are performing. Then you can know exactly what it's doing at a point in time and see exactly where it's fitting into the market. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, FOREX, for videos like this, and then please share it with your friends so that we can all learn and grow together. So you are welcome, guys. Without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into what is happening. So in this very video, like I've always do, if you have been following what is happening on this channel for quite some time, you see that I always love to use two charts for my analysis. One on the higher time frame, and the second on the lower time frame. So the one on the higher time frame, I'm not probably going to go above that time frame, but the one at the immediate below, sometimes I can step a little bit lower again just for accuracy of my timing, but most of the time I don't, but sometimes the situation warrants I do. So in this video, this is Audchf, this is daily chart to the left side, and this is 4-hour chart to the right side. So we'll quickly be looking at exactly how this downtrend is turning around now to probably be giving us what we call a shifting to an uptrend. So if you look at it on the daily time frame, you can see the sellers has been coming in, but the 4 hours, which is why I like to use the 2 time frame, give me exactly much more details into this downtrend, how it's turning around, and how it probably might be going to shift to the upside right now. So if you look at it on the 4 hours right here, you will see that hey, this market started all the way from here, the low gets lower like that, and the high gets lower like that. That's a lower high like that. You can see the market crash down all the way, hold this place to a support, find support. Then what do you see? Come downward again like that. Then the down, come down like this, all the way to this support. Then market goes sideways. So when the market breaks from this point, from this very place, from this area, and go down like that, what you want to be looking at is for the buyers to pull back, to give you a pullback like that. Then see how you can watch the momentum and then sell again. So when you break below this support and go all the way down to this point, you're like, okay, the downtrend is in place. So now officially market is in the downtrend right now, down to this point. Then you pull back again like that, sideways, range, whatever you might want to call it. You break this support, this record that you make, crash again downward like that. And from here again like that, crash again down to this point. So when it breaks this area, okay, the market is in the downtrend, it's still trending. You pull back to this support right here, what do you see? Sellers come in again from this support, go down, go below this very previous record I made here, go all the way, get to this point, and what do you see? Market come down, come back, snap back, come to the same area where the sellers, the same support area where the sellers are selling from. Don't forget, guys, that when the seller push down from here and break this support down to this point, then he pull back like that, he make a new low. So the guy who made that new low is right here. But what do you see? He come back to challenge the guy who started the show, who pushed this market to break below this area like that. You know, it was a case of, oh wow, now buyers and sellers are coming face to face. So is the market turning around, or is it going to be turning into a range? You know, when you have market buyers and sellers coming face to face like that, then market is, you know that market is shifting from a downtrend or from an uptrend into a range. Then market will range like that and then turn around to shift direction or continue to go down again. But in this very scenario now, it's a case of, is the market turning into a range to shift direction of range for a bit, you know, which we call market refreshing, you know, then to continue again. But now look at it from here again, this area, from this very area here, look at the market, the seller tried to sell again like that. He couldn't even beat the record that he pulled down here. So it was a case of it's like a fake right here. All this area now, you can say, okay, this is a faker here. The market snaps back. The same area where he pulled back when he started selling from, when he couldn't even meet the previous record that he made. Market, you know, try to come down again, then jump all the way to the other side. So you leave all the seller here now for dead. All the people that are trying to sell here again, what do you think is happening to them now? Their money has been taken. So he took out all the sellers from this supportable resistance right here, took out the same seller, another the bigger seller here, took the seller here down, took out this seller here to the daily seller here. This is the daily seller here, this seller here, this is the daily seller here. He took him out to the market go for the very first time now. They're having a higher high. So the market goes up like that to give us a higher high and a higher low like that. So it's a case of, now it looks like this market is shifting direction. And look at the when it started to pull back here now for the sellers. Look at it, it comes crashing down to the same supportable resistance right here. And what do you see? It goes back 50% of the move. When it tries to go down again, what do you know? You know, then market started snapping from this area now. So now market has turned into another range right here, telling me that hey, this sell that has been happening for the longest time, now it seems like the sellers are done. Now market from like probably trying to turn around to go for a buy. So I will be looking for a faker market coming down to this area in the course of this week. Market just opened now. This is Sunday night, guys. So I'll be looking for a faker anywhere on this zone or to this area in the course of this week for confirmation for my buy. Then the first target will be to this side, to this very area here, or with a potential of another higher high. Then if it gives us another higher high, that means market is now officially is in an uptrend. Then I will be looking forward to see how I can ride the market all the way. So this is exactly how you want to be looking at the chart, guys, to understand exactly what is happening in the market and then see how you can take advantage of it. Trading doesn't have to be very, very difficult. You know, if you learn how to read the price action like a book like this, very, very simple but powerful, you can understand exactly what it's doing and see how you can take advantage of it. So please, guys, don't forget once again to subscribe to this channel, help this channel grow so that we can learn, grow and be a better trader together. Thank you, guys. Cheers.